What is the title of the table? The title is got from the what? From the question. So the question is, the table below shows the ages of 50 people treated for fever cirrhosis in a certain health center. Construct a frequency table starting with the class 10 to 19. Ati watu gabi construct a frequency table leo tujachi title. So the title will be a frequency table table. Is that clear? To show we go back at the top of the question. They said the table below shows ages. So to show ages. Is that clear? To show ages of what? 50 people. 50 people treated. Huh? Treated for tuberculosis, TB. Where? At a center. Is this clear? Yeah. Have you seen where I've got the title? Huh? The title comes from the question. From the question below, and then the introduction of the question. That's why I get the title. Never start that answering the question without putting the title. The table must have the title. It shows the examiner that you know what you are doing. You're doing. So our table should have the first column. The first column should be, in this question, they were ages. So you can put here age. What ages? Is that clear? In the other questions, they might have looked at length. You can put here length. If they looked at the marks of students, you put here marks. So the column, what you write here, depends on the question. Am I clear? If you are not sure, you can call them groups. Because we are going to make groups. Am I clear? Sometimes we call them classes. You know when we divide into classes? Yeah? Senior 4, A. Senior 4, B. We are grouping you. Are you getting it? Because here we are going to group the data. That data as you see it there, we are going to group it. Because you cannot understand it as it is unless you group it. You cannot make a meaningful deduction unless you group it. So we put it in classes. You can call them classes, length, height. It is depending on the question. So for this matter, since the question is talking about age, we are going to use age. Are we together? Yes. These are age. In that age should be in years. The next column is tally. Why do we use tally? Because we are going to group the data. The tally is help us to get the frequency. Am I clear?
Yeah.
So can we see how to tally? How do we tally? Remember, tallying is the hardest part in statistics. Because if you don't tick or you don't mark it, you are going to tally it twice. Or you might skip it. Am I clear? So in order not to tally twice or skip a digit, we put a mark. So which mark are we going to use? I cross out. So when I cross it out, I go there and I look for a group where it falls. We have not put the groups first. Let us first get our groups. Okay? Before we begin tallying. When you read the question, you are told the first group. Read the question, please. What is the first group?
Construct a frequency table starting with a class of 10 to 19.
Start with the class 10 to 19. Here, they want a class from 10 to 19. Actually, this means we want those people who had 10 to 19 as their age in that group. You group them together. So, what should be the next group? The next group should be the next digit from here. This is 19. So the next group digit here is 20. Now, you need to know, these groups have how many people?
9.
9. This group has 10. Let us see. When you are counting the group, you must start with the first digit here. You include it. Am I clear? Yes. So, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. They are how many? 10. They are 10. Actually, what we have been looking for is called class width.